Did you know over 90% of Americans are deficient in at least one essential vitamin or nutrient, and most don't even realize it? From fatigue and brain fog to poor sleep and weak immunity, these everyday symptoms could be your body's way of asking for help. Also, did you know that the NIH shows almost 1 in 4 US adults are vitamin D deficient? If you add up all the people that have severe D deficiency, moderate deficiency, and suboptimal levels, that is almost 70% of people are in some form vitamin D deficient. I am Jennifer Ligon-Gaston, nurse practitioner and owner of Revolution Aesthetics and Wellness. And in today's video, we're diving into a topic that impacts just about everyone: vitamin deficiencies and what we do about them. So why does this matter? When your body isn't getting the nutrients it needs, it can't function properly, period. Even mild deficiencies in things like vitamin D, B12, or iron can lead to fatigue and brain fog, mood swings, poor immunity, brittle hair and nails, and trouble sleeping. Over time, these small imbalances can have a major impact on your energy, focus, and overall wellness. And here's the tricky part. Most people don't even realize that the supplements could solve their problem. Or they do know, but they struggle to stay consistent with them. Maybe you hate swallowing pills, or you can't remember to take them every day. Maybe you've bought vitamins in the past and never felt a difference, or you do not know how to choose which supplement or the appropriate brand that actually works and is effective, so you gave up altogether. That's where the form and delivery of your supplements really matter, because how your body absorbs the nutrients, whether it's an injection, oral spray, or pill, can completely change how effective it is. So let's walk through the options that we offer here at Revolution so that you can find the best fit for your needs. First up is vitamin injection. These are ideal if you want fast, targeted results and better absorption because they bypass the digestive system. Your body can use the nutrients right away, perfect for anyone with gut issues, poor absorption, cannot remember to take your daily vitamin, or who just want to feel a noticeable boost. At Revolution, we offer injections from metabolism boosters, weight loss support, to immune health, energy, and mental clarity. Whether you're looking to improve performance, fight fatigue, or support your overall wellness, we have an injection tailored to almost every deficiency or need. Now let's talk about oral supplements. First of all, not all supplements are made equally. Supplements and vitamins are not FDA regulated. Therefore, you have no idea if you are actually getting what you are paying for or what they claim to improve. I am extremely selective with all my supplements. I choose or recommend specifically for my patients. These are ideal for daily maintenance and long-term support. We carry a high-quality medical-grade supplements like BioT, which is specifically formulated to support hormone, balance, mood, metabolism, bone, muscle, brain, thyroid health, sleep, vaginal balance, urinary, and gut health. BioT is a great option for anyone looking to build a solid foundation for overall wellness. If you're dealing with chronic fatigue or mood swings, symptoms of hormone imbalance, or any of the previously mentioned concerns, you might want to check out our recent video all about BioT and how hormone therapy can change your life. We break down the symptoms, solutions, and why this approach works. Next, let's talk about vitamin sprays. So if consistency is a struggle, or you cannot swallow, or you just don't enjoy swallowing pills, vitamin sprays are an easy solution. Our Nutrify sprays, which are right over here, are quick and convenient. You just spray under your tongue, no water needed, and the nutrients absorb quickly. From sleep support, heart and immune health, to digestion and energy or motion sickness, these are a go-to for people on the move. Plus, the D3 plus K2, which is right here, is safe for children. I have a lot of patients seeking organic or natural supplement options, and I specifically chose Nutrify just for those patients. These are made in the US, gluten-free, cruelty-free, allergen-free, sugar-free, zero filters, and non-GMO, making them 100% natural. And finally, let's not forget about hair health. We are offering 2 amazing medical grade supplements, including Extrese and Viviscal Pro. Viviscal Pro is one of the most clinically researched hair growth products available, and research proves it is much more effective than Nutrafol. Whether you're dealing with shedding, thinning, or just want to strengthen your strands, this is an easy addition to your daily routine. And it pairs well with treatments like PRFM hair restoration for even better results. Extrese gummies are powered by a proprietary X3 bioactive blend born from regenerative medicine for hair restoration. They feature plant-based extracts and nutraceuticals, clinically proven to repair and nourish the hair follicle health on a cellular level. With so many supplements and delivery methods out there, how do you know what's right for you? Start by thinking about your goals and your lifestyle. Have you had gastric surgery and no longer absorb vitamins correctly? Are you constantly on the go and you forget to take your pills? A spray or injection might be easier for you. Do you want fast results or targeted benefits like immune support and weight loss? Injections can be the way to go. Looking for long-term wellness and maintenance, an oral supplement might be your best shot. At Revolution, we don't believe in one size fits all. Instead of handing you a list of supplements to try, we take the time to get to know your body, your goals, lifestyle, and individual needs. I can evaluate your most recent blood work or order labs if necessary. During your consultation, we'll look at your symptoms, evaluate your routine, create a personalized plan that gives your body exactly what it needs. Nothing more, nothing less. Whether that's a quick weekly injection, a daily spray that you can keep in your purse, or a powerful medical grade supplement like BioT, Viviscal, or Extreme Gummies, we'll help you find what works for you. If you're ready to feel better, think clearer, and support your body from the inside out, let's talk. Book a consultation with us at Revolution Aesthetics and Wellness, and let's create your custom supplement strategy today. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode.